Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing devices and accounts so payments actually work. On your Mac, open System Settings and enable Wallet and Apple Pay. On iPhone, add and verify the card and wallet because verification links devices. Once done, pair a Touch ID or ensure your iPhone is nearby and on the same Apple ID for continuity. Make sure the card shows as active. This avoids declined transactions. Now that prerequisites are active, move on to selecting Apple Pay at checkout and confirming the payment method. You select Apple Pay at the web or app checkout and then pick the card you added. Next, check and update shipping and contact info so the merchant receives correct details. Apple Pay pre-fills securely. After that, confirm the purchase. Press Touch ID on the Mac if available, or when prompted, use your nearby iPhone with Face ID or passcode to approve. Because Apple Pay never shares full card numbers, the merchant gets a tokenized payment. This is why the process is both quick and secure. You finish by confirming the on-screen approval and checking your email receipt for the transaction ID. Save that for records. If the payment fails, make sure the card was verified by your bank and that both devices have internet access. Also confirm they're using the same Apple ID. If issues persist, restart the Mac and iPhone, sign out and back into Apple ID, or remove and re-add the card. These steps resolve most token or verification glitches quickly. Remember to contact your bank only if declines continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.